How to download your Play Store in MacBook. So here is the most easiest and reliable way to download Play Store in your MacBook. So follow these steps. First of all, open Google web browser. Then in search address bar, simply type down the Play Store and hit enter. Now that you can simply see option available there, simply tap on it and navigate to its official website. Now here all you have to do is tap on the three dot available at the top right corner of your screen and a drop down menu will appear. Now from the drop down all you have to do is tap on the cast, save and share option available there, and you can see install pays as app option available. Simply tap on it and confirm the installation. Now tap on the install and download it. You can simply find this in Chrome app. Now you can simply drag and drop it to the desktop, or you can also keep it here as well for the easier access. Now double tap on it and open the Play Store on your MacBook. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.